Hey there, my name is Joe, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new Instantly.ai account and how to import a new leads list into your account and in a campaign. The idea with this little video series that I'm going to be making is I run an AI service business, and a lot of my clients they end up asking me the same questions or asking me to teach them how to set up something or do it for them. And a lot of what I'm going to be showing you, I get paid for doing. So I figured that a lot of people would get value from it. So I'm just going to be making videos as these things come. Okay, so today I'm just going to show you Instantly. I set up this new Instantly account here. When you log into your Instantly for the first time, this is what you're going to see. Okay, so you got the panel here. Now, if you don't know what Instantly is, it's basically just a software to send cold email en masse. But the big advantage to it is you can do personalization and integrate AI into it. So en masse, meaning like at some point I was sending like 350 cold emails per day to get leads from my business. And as a B2B company, I couldn't find anything else that had the same like dollar for value as far as getting leads. Okay, so let's go campaign here on the left. We're just gonna go add new here, and it's always a good idea to start your account being organized. Multi industry, and we're gonna go add leads. Now, if you buy leads or you have somebody where, yeah, you buy lists off of, you're probably already gonna have CSV. But for this example, I set it up this way just because my call from earlier with my client, this is the way he had it set up. So he had it in a Google Sheet, and his names were like in one column. Now, I'm going to show you later why, but this is important that we split the names here, okay? So what we're going to do if you have something like this, you're just going to add a couple columns. I add two because this is going to carry over, and some of these people are going to have like three names or maybe even four names, and I don't want it to go over the emails, okay? So click the column that you want to split, do data, do split text, and separator here, you just click space. So it separates by the space. I'm just going to delete this one because I don't need it. Do last name, first name for this one, and now I'm ready. So I'm just going to go and download it as a CSV. Go Instantly and upload it. Now, Instantly.ai is super smart. So some of these, it's already going to have selected. I mean, I don't know if it's super smart. It's the same exact name, but you get the idea. On the right, you're going to see real-time examples from your list of what this is the variable, and then this is in the list what your variable is, okay? I put industry here just because I knew Instantly doesn't have one for that. When you have something specific that Instantly doesn't have it, you just do custom variable. But you have a lot of options here. Custom variables, they come really handy. Like I've built systems before where in make.com I would scrape the website information and LinkedIn information from companies and then tie it to their email. So I would pass it afterwards in ChatGPT and write a custom message for them. So I would have a variable here, which was custom message. And when you go to write your campaigns, you put the variable in so it looks like you wrote it specifically for them, even though you're sending like hundreds per day. Okay, so that's super powerful. Now, once I add the list, you land here. Sequences, that's basically where you're gonna write your emails, okay? If you go here, you can see your leads. And just quick note, status here, that's gonna change once you start to contact your list. So this is gonna change to contacted, interested, not interested, whatever, okay? For now, I just wanna keep this video super short. I'm just gonna show you how to use the variables. So do hi. To use a variable, you just click curly brackets and they're gonna pop up. I just do first name because we set it up before, right? And I'll do you seem like a prominent business owner in industry. Now, obviously don't copy this email because this is horrible, but just like that. And then I would click preview here to see exactly what the person would see. And it takes a real example from my list. Hi, Adam. You seem like a very prominent business owner in construction. So that's it. And then you can do test email. You can send it to yourself, whatever, to see what it looks like. So this is how you do it. I hope that you got value out of this. As I get more questions or more ideas, I'm gonna make more of these just quick tutorials and thoughts of mine. If you have anything else that you want to know about Instantly.ai or anything else in the AI space at all, GPT or Make.com, N8N, just leave a comment below and I'll make a video about it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.